Hello YouTubers, Video Marketing Empire here with a new video about affiliate video marketing in 2020, where we're going to talk about these 4 key points, and then we're going to get you a free course on affiliate video marketing. So we're going to talk about why your affiliate business needs video, specifically YouTube, how you can begin affiliate marketing on YouTube immediately, how to research keywords and competitors, how to rank #1 on YouTube and Google in 24 hours. Okay, quick, I'm going to jump over to some stats just so that affiliate marketers can better understand. Here in 2022, 82% of all internet traffic around the world will come from video streaming and downloads. Okay? That means the #1 source of content in the world is video. If you're not using video right now as an affiliate marketer, you're setting yourself up for failure in the very near future. We're going to look here at Facebook and YouTube. I know a lot of people are into Facebook video ads and Facebook live video, and there's a place for that. But what's important to understand is Facebook ads and Facebook video are competing in this crowd of people, okay? Whereas YouTube is wide open for a large number of reasons, okay? The advertising side of YouTube is wide open, and the marketing side of YouTube is wide open. And YouTube is still an environment where you don't have to pay to play, okay? Most people remember back in the day when in Facebook you could post video, you could post any kind of content, and your entire feed would see that. Now that's not the case, okay? If you want anyone following you, anyone in your group to see anything, anyone you target to see anything, you have to pay. And you have to pay and compete with all these people that are bidding against you, okay? Here, you can still post content without a single dollar of advertising and get a lot of eyeballs and at very low competition. Okay, so now we're going to look at why people go to YouTube. Primarily beyond entertainment, you can see there's a good percentage of entertainment. There's a lot of self-directed learning on YouTube, okay? People go there looking to fix something. They go to learn something new. They want to satisfy their curiosity. They need help solving a problem. They want to find something unique, okay? They're looking for inspiration, motivation. They want to improve their school job skills. Again, that's back to learning. So there's a lot of free learning going on and a lot of self-directed searches for people to learn things. How-to is huge right now, okay? How-to and reviews are huge. This is some quick stats on video marketing. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. You can see positive results. 76% of professional marketers getting positive results. 92% of mobile video consumers share videos, which gives you that viral engagement, that organic engagement that you don't have to pay for. 46% of marketers plan to have Facebook or YouTube videos, which means you need to get in now because they're planning it, so don't wait. 50% of internet users look to video to make decisions on products or services, okay? Again, this is the reviews and the demonstrations and the problem solving. They look for videos to find out about products and services before they purchase. Again, 90% users say product videos are helpful in the decision-making process. 75% of executives watch work-related videos on business websites. 80% of online viewers recall a video ad they viewed in the past 30 days. And something about YouTube that we'll talk about in a minute, video ads have the ability to follow a search string for keywords or follow a series of content creators. So video ads on YouTube are different from what you might be able to perform on Facebook. Keyword and competitor research. Now we're going to get into the how-tos, okay? There's specific techniques that you can learn from a free course that I'll be attaching here at the end. You'll get a link to go catch that free course, where we're going to teach how to find relevant long-tail keywords, how to find competitor video concepts, how to answer relevant questions using the product or service as the answer, obviously, how to solve problems with this product or service. Now, again, this is for affiliate marketers who want to promote a product or a service. The kinds of videos they're going to want to make is how to answer the questions that these products and services answer, how to solve problems that these products and services solve. Okay, obviously reviews and demonstrations are huge, tutorials. Then you want to target long-tail keywords with relevant questions and answers. You want to combine videos into a master keyword playlist. Playlists are so underutilized. If you have a master keyword you're trying to target with a lot of long-tail keywords, you want that master keyword to be the name of your playlist and all your long-tail keywords listed within that playlist. And then we'll look at the possibility of advertising, but I don't recommend advertising out the gate. You can get a lot of data and a lot of hits on YouTube for free and figure out which videos you should advertise before you spend money. See, on Facebook, it's the opposite. On Facebook, you spend money to get data and then figure out what to do after you've got some data. Over here on YouTube, you figure out what's popular by using all of the relevant questions and answers in these videos, all the review and demonstration videos that you can produce, okay? Figure out what gets the most attention, what's the most relevant, what has the best response, and then consider advertising. Now here's an interesting stat. Only 9% of businesses use YouTube video ads, which means if you do decide to spend money on advertising, YouTube is the place to go, okay? Again, here's why. Okay, so real quick before I jump into the free course and the links and all that, I'm going to walk you through a demonstration, okay? Affiliate marketers know ClickBank. ClickBank is a sure bet. Okay, I'm looking at Forex right now. It's a really popular concept on both on YouTube and on ClickBank, and a lot of affiliate marketers do very well with Forex products. Okay, so you got Forex Trendy, you've got this huge one over here that would be great to sell, Bots Live Trading Room. You could probably sell both if you wanted to using the same video systems. Okay, so the question is, how would you start making videos for these Forex products on ClickBank? Well, you could just start by hunting through YouTube to see, what types of videos these other channels are doing. Just a quick heads up here, Forex has a massive volume of hits, and people are paying $5 a click. The competition is huge, okay, huge competition. So if you can tap into this with free videos that cost nothing more than whatever you spend to create those videos, then you are far ahead of competitors paying $5 a click. Okay, so how to win in Forex, success stories. How somebody got scammed in Forex. That may not be the thing to use unless you have a personal story, and that leads to the answer to a problem, which is a product. So that could be used the right way. exposing the truth about Forex. Again, as long as you're showing problems and then showing answers that relate to your product or service, okay? I would skip that kind of idea. That's not going to get you anywhere. Forex challenges, tips. Everybody loves a list. 10 tips for beginners. Okay, you can make all kinds of lists for beginners in Forex. Now, here's a search tool I'm going to show you real quick. You can see that I've got some other search tools on here and other types of YouTube tools, but this tool right here is phenomenal, and it's amazingly cheap. It's like $20 some. It's called Video Blaster. Okay, on the keywords tab of Video Blaster, Video Marketing Blaster, I'm going to go Forex trading. Now, before I click research, I'm going to show you I've got all these checked off. That means it's going to search YouTube, Amazon, competitors, eBay, Pinterest, Yahoo, Google, Bing. So I'm going to get keyword suggestions from all over. And these keyword suggestions are going to be specifically for video titles. Okay? This is how you figure out your video titles and concepts, is by doing this research. And as you can see, it's searching Google, and it's taking forever because there's huge search volume, massive YouTube views per month, a huge quantity of keywords, a lot of competing views, competitors getting views, I should say. This is taking forever. So as this list populates, we'll take a look at it real quick. How to start Forex trading. Now, that's going to be difficult to compete with, but you can add something on the end here with XXX. How to start Forex trading even if you don't have any money. How to start Forex trading on a small budget. So you want to add words behind this and create an entire playlist on this concept with multiple different videos, and that will eventually lead to ranking for that concept. Okay, so we're still digging. We're at 298 keywords. If you can't pick out 20, 30, 40 videos to make out of 300 keywords, then I don't know what to say. Okay, so there are a bazillion concepts here to pick from. And these rankings have some relevance. Obviously the higher recommended number is great. A lot of the higher recommended numbers are also going to have huge competition. So just be aware that for these keywords that come highly recommended, you're going to need long tail add-on strategies. Okay, so this tool that's still working and still hasn't finished, this is called Video Marketing Blaster. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to get this. It's super cheap. Okay. So I've got a free 24-hour ranking webinar for you to watch. No cost whatsoever. There is opportunity for further training. So yes, you can buy a training package. And it's the same training that I used today from my mentor, Paul. But everything he teaches is here in a nutshell. Free training, okay? And you can take that and run with it all you like without paying a dime. For Video Marketing Blaster, this tool that is still driving keywords, 394 keywords that came up for Forex trading, okay? Now, there's some other things that Video Marketing Blaster can do that will help you create automated videos for these tags. Okay, so you can go a little farther with this tool, and the creators of this tool, they have some other offers that you can look at. But out of 394 keywords, you should be able to identify 30, 40, 50 keywords that you can make videos about, make channels and playlists about, and start moving these products that pay, $100 a whack, or this membership over here at $1,700 a whack, Bots Live Trading Room. See? So get Video Marketing Blaster, It's a great tool, worth every dime, and get free training that will walk you through the steps of how to do this and get you started on the right path. I'm sure there's plenty of other free training out there, but this training I personally recommend because I personally use it every day. So until next time, when we'll be discussing other video marketing tools specifically for affiliates.